All right, field test number 2 with this thing. So, and just settings real quick. All right, got another shoe again today. It is the Nike Dunk Low OG Quick Strike. Again, new label, something new, something fun. I mean, I'm not opposed to it, but the new labels, in my opinion, are throwing me off. So, these do come out this weekend. This is the Parra collab. Has their branding on the tongue and on the inside with the Nike SB. And on the back, it looks a little different because they got the new hit tab and they got the, 1, 2, 3, 4 checks right there. This one's got that chutney hit on it. I'm not a fan of the white bottom, which is weird. The tiny swoosh right here on the toe, love it. That's probably my favorite part about the shoe and the inside, but I wish they did, like, a different color bottom. Family and friends pair looks a little different, but overall, I'm not mad at it. Has, obviously, their branding's like on the back of the shoe too. As far as that, different color laces. Also comes with the white. But yeah, just a quick little hit so you can see the shoe. Like, sit down right here, you can see it. A little quick hit. Like I said, these two things are different on the background, and yeah, I mean, overall, I think it's a cool shoe. It's definitely going to be something that I think down the line, these are actually going to be worth like a nice little pretty penny. But the one thing I will say about the shoe, the leather, like on the toe, see if I can get it on here. The leather, in my opinion, is super soft. That feels good on the shoe. And I mean, I think this is a great summer shoe with some, I don't know, a pair of khakis or whatever else. I'm wearing the costumes right now, actually. But overall, I think it's a cool shoe. I think it's a cool collab. I mean, I wish they did a little bit more, but overall, simple, subtle. It'll be good for people to skate and to see what happens in the future. But hopefully you guys pick these up this weekend and let me know what you think.